Singapore is home to stunning architecture, world-class infrastructure, and one of the most iconic bridges in Southeast Asia. But this isn't just steel and concrete. It's a story of innovation, ambition, and beauty. Today we explore the Great Bridge of Singapore, how it was built, why it matters, and what makes it a global engineering marvel. Stick around till the end to see its hidden design secrets. Known officially as the Helix Bridge, it connects Marina Centre to Marina South, offering not just transportation, but transformation of space, culture, and technology. Inaugurated in 2010, the bridge is a pedestrian-only marvel inspired by the double-helix structure of DNA, symbolizing life, continuity, and renewal. It's the world's first double-helix bridge. Designed by Australian architects Cox Architecture and Singapore's own Architect 61, along with Arup engineers, the bridge is made of stainless steel and spans 280 meters. It's supported by a series of opposing helix spirals, a feat requiring precision down to the millimeter. LED lights integrated into the structure create a dazzling nighttime effect, enhancing Singapore's futuristic skyline. Beyond function, every detail of the Helix Bridge has meaning. Embedded within the bridge are pairs of letters, C, G, A, and T, representing the base pairs of DNA. It's a perfect blend of art, science, and sustainability. The bridge uses energy-efficient lighting and encourages walking in an urban setting dominated by vehicles. More than a landmark, the Helix Bridge has become a cultural symbol. It hosts art installations, public events, and is a favorite for Instagrammers, filmmakers, and wedding photographers. It connects people, literally and metaphorically, turning a simple walk across water into an unforgettable experience. Like what you saw? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more global architecture stories. Hit the bell icon to explore more wonders of the world every week.